Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing one of these little bows right here, and I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. But instead of adding the little glitter and little diamond little things here, I'm gonna be adding them in the side section. So first, well, that being said, things you would need would be a string of any kind, any color, depending on which one you want. This one does not have to be a specific size, so don't worry about that. My little strips right here of little sparkly little diamond little thingies, some scissors, hot glue, a ruler, ribbon. This one is 1.5 inch by 12 feet. It's in color like fuchsia or something, pink fuchsia, something like that. It's not say okay. And then a lighter. So let's get started. I'm gonna be doing, what is it? I'm gonna be doing probably 11.5. I think I did this, yeah, 11.5 inch, like around there. So I'm gonna be cutting that part right there. And just cut. And I am gonna use my lighter to seal this so the little strings won't come out, and then put that aside. The string that I just cut, I'm gonna do the same thing, so no side sections. No side sections would affect that. And then I'm just gonna like that and clip it on there, and do the other side too, because we want to set that. I think this side was already set. Either way, once we have that, we're gonna put the ruler aside, obviously. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in half. So you're gonna put it in half, and then make sure you push it real hard, and then you're gonna open it. Right here in the middle part, you're gonna add glue. So you're gonna add a hot glue in there. You can put your lighter away too right now, because you're not gonna need it yet. And you're gonna add hot glue on the little line right there. And you're gonna grab this section and put it right over here where the glue is at. Right there. You're gonna do that again, the other side. Put hot glue all the way down, and then take your section and put it right beside the other one. Okay, and you get this little flappy little thing right here. Okay, once you have that, you're gonna wanna put it right in the middle. So you want it to be like this, like a little flap, 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 flap. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it flat, and then you're gonna add glue right in the center. You're gonna add hot glue right in the center, and you're gonna clip it on there. You're gonna close it so it could get really, really good shut. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna fold these sides the other way, both of them, like this. So you have this kind of thing right there. So we're gonna turn it around, add hot glue, and close this section right here. Add hot glue right here too, and then close that down. Okay, so this is the top, this is the bottom section, so this is the part you want to cover up, you know, have it on the bottom. Next thing you're going to do, once that's done, well, I'm going to grab a little strip and just cut it all the way, and then maybe till there, and then cut it right there. So we don't need that right now, we're just going to use this. I wonder if I just do it different and I just do it like this. That would look cute too. but I'm not doing that one. So next thing, you're gonna grab this little ring. So you see the top part has polka dots and the other side doesn't. I'm gonna be using the side that does not have polka dots. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add hot glue right here in this section, because this is where I'm gonna start. This is the bottom part. So it's right there. Just burn myself. And then I'm gonna go all around. I'm gonna go around once, add hot glue, and then go one more time. And finish right there. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this. Oh shit. Ugh. Cut it right there. Cut it. So once you do like 2 flips, I'm gonna again use the lighter to seal that, and it won't open like that. And then you have this left. Put that aside too. So you have this left. So once you have this, you're gonna grab your little diamonds. Again, remember, we're doing something like this, but instead of like this, we're gonna do the other way. So this one has the little polka dots, and this one does not. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab from this side to this side. So right here will be 2, 4, 6, 7 little diamonds. So the other side should be 7 too, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and cut. 7 little diamonds. So I'm gonna start adding glue right there, right here, all the way down. Right there, and then pushing it down. And I do not want those little, you see these little things right here? I don't want those. So I'm gonna try to like, if it comes up, maybe with the lighter I could like fix it. Yeah, okay. Okay, I just fixed that with the lighter because I don't want those to be showing as much. Okay, so once you have that glued in there, you have this right there. You're gonna go on the other side, and you're gonna do the same thing. Glue all the way. And then add the glue in there, and glue it all the way down, and then just press it down. And again with the lighter, you're gonna try to get all those little corner thingies out of their way, and just go down. And then you want to fluff it up a little bit, you know. And then you're left with something like this. Let me see. Should I or should I not? No, I should not. Maybe I could like 3 little diamonds like this way. Nah. Should I? Let me see. Let's try this. Like right there. I'm just not gonna glue it because I want to make sure that I like the way it looks. I like it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Maybe just 1 diamond in there. Huh. Okay, let me see. So sometimes I do this as I go, like I start doing stuff and just figure out the way I want it. I think I am gonna add those little diamonds inside because I think they look cute with it. So, like I said, I'm gonna add glue inside. So I'm just gonna add glue like this, and then I'm gonna add the little diamonds inside. And then press on there. Like that. Ugh. One thing I hate about hot glue is those things. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing in here and just add glue in there. And add the little diamonds in there. Voila! Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my god. Why does it do that? I hate that part. Okay, well. You're left with something like this. So you have two options. So depending on the way you want to do it, obviously you could do it better. You could do more stuff in there. You could decorate it the way you want to. But so far you get something like this. So yeah, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and well, you could tell me what you think about this. So comment right below if you like it or not. I'll be fine if you don't. I'm cool with that. Cool with that. Yeah, and if you like this video, you think somebody else will like to do this, share my video, share it with other people. And I basically do these because I have a little girl and I like to do bows and stuff for her. So yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you like this, hit the bell to get notified whenever I put new videos. Yeah, hope you enjoy, guys. Bye.